Unlock the secret to long-lasting makeup. Use a setting spray. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fabulous beauty tip that can elevate your makeup game to the next level. Have you ever wondered how to keep your makeup looking fresh all day long? The secret lies in using a setting spray. Whether you're new to makeup or looking to perfect your routine, this video is for you. Let's explore what setting sprays are and how to use them effectively. A setting spray is a cosmetic product designed to preserve applied makeup for an extended period. Think of it as a top coat for your makeup, locking everything in place. It comes in a liquid form in a spray bottle, making it easy to apply over your face once your makeup is done. Setting sprays can provide various finishes, such as matte, dewy, or natural, depending on your skin type and preference. Setting sprays offer multiple benefits. They extend the wear of your makeup, preventing it from fading, smudging, or settling into fine lines. Help control oil and shine, especially with matte formulas. Can refresh your makeup throughout the day, keeping it looking vibrant and freshly applied. Often contain hydrating ingredients that benefit your skin, especially in formulas designed for dry skin types. Using a setting spray is the final step in your makeup routine. Here's how to do it correctly. 1. Shake the bottle well before use to mix all the ingredients properly. 2. Hold the bottle about 6 to 8 inches away from your face. 3. Close your eyes and mouth, and spray in an X and T pattern to ensure full coverage. 4. Let it dry naturally for a few seconds. Avoid rubbing it in. Remember, a little goes a long way. Over-application can cause makeup to look saturated or overly shiny. Selecting the right setting spray depends on your skin type and the finish you desire. For oily skin, look for matte finish sprays that help control shine. If you have dry skin, opt for hydrating formulas that add a dewy glow. For sensitive skin, seek out fragrance-free and hypoallergenic options. Experiment with different products to find the one that works best for you. We hope this video sheds light on the importance and benefits of using a setting spray to keep your makeup intact and looking fresh all day. Whether you're attending a long event or just want to look your best from morning till night, a setting spray can be your best friend. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Here's to flawless makeup days ahead.